Hello, beta. Your lecture continue the enemy. I am well, he said joyously. The man announced happily that he was well. And thou drew his camino around his weary body. He could not, he decided suddenly, go through another night. It was not that he cared for this young man's life, no, simply it was not worth the strain. Weary means tired and strain means stress. So thou wrapped his traditional Japanese gown around his tired body. He was tired because the curiosity had kept him awake for two consecutive nights. He decided that he could not pass one more night in such a way. He was not bothered about the man's life, but he could not bear the stress and anxiety any longer. You are well, Thou agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. Fortifying means putting security at a place. Nobody lives on it because in storm it is submerged. Submerged means here sink into the sea. But this is not the season of storm. You should live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. They pass quite near the island because the water is many fathom deep there. Fathom means a unit of measuring the depth of the sea. So thou said to the man that he was well now. He lowered his voice and said that he was strong enough to sail a boat. Snow planned that if he arranged a boat, stock it and with food, all extra clothing, the man would be able to row it to nearby island as the island was so close to the coast and it had not been guarded. It was not inhabited as it sunk into the sea during the storm. As it was not the season of storms at that time, the men could live on the island until he stopped a Korean fishing boat pass by. The Korean fishing boats passed near the island as the sea was very deep there. The young man stared at him, slowly comprehending. Do I have to? He asked. I think so. So thou said gently, you understand it is not hidden that you are here. The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. Okay, he said promptly. Comprehending means understanding. Nodded means lower and raise one's head slightly and briefly, especially in greeting, assent, or understanding, or to give someone a signal. The young man stared, thou as he understood his words. He asked that was it necessary for him to do so? Snow pleaded that he must understand that the fact that the man was living at his house was known to everyone. The young man agreed with him and said okay. He moved his head to indicate his acceptance. Snow did not see him again until evening. As soon as it was dark, he had dragged the stout boat down to the shore and in it put food, bottled water that he had brought secretly during the day, as well as two quails he had brought at a pawn shop. The boat he tied to a post into the water, for the tide was high. There was no moon, and he worked without a flashlight. Dragged means pulled, stout means fat or big, pawnshop means a store that lends money in exchange for valuable things that can sell if the person leaving it does not pay an agreed amount of money by an agreed time. Post means pole and flashlight means torch. So thou laughed and said, I did not meet the young man until evening. During the day, he made arrangement for him As it became dark, Siddharth pulled out a big boat to the shore. He placed food and bottled water in it that he had brought secretly during the day. He kept two quails in it. He had purchased them from the fern shop. As there was a high tide in the sea, he tied the boat to a pole. It was dark, moonless night, and Snow worked without a torch. He did not want to be spotted by everyone. When he came to the house, he entered as though he were just back from his work, and Suhana knew nothing. Yummy was here today, and she said as she served his supper, though she was no modern, still she did not eat with him. Yummy cried over the baby. She went on with a sigh. She misses him so. Supper means an evening meal, typically a light or informal one. Modern means relating to the present or recent time as opposed to the remote past. When Sadao came home, he pretended as though he had returned from work so that Hannah did not guess anything. Hannah served him the evening meal and said that Yummy had visited them that day as she missed the baby a lot. Although Yummy was modern, she did not eat with Sadao. The servants will come back as soon as the foreigner is gone, Sadao said. Sadao said that as soon as the American man left, the servant would return. He went into the guest room that night before he went to bed himself and checked carefully the American's temperature. The street of wound and his heart and pulse. The pulse was irregular, but that was perhaps because of excitement. The young man's pale lips were pressed together and his eyes burned. Only the scars on his neck were red. At the night before on going to bed, Sudhav visited the man. He checked his body temperature, the wound, it hurt, and heartbeat. The heartbeat was unsteady due to excitement. As he was about to leave their home, the man's lips were pressed together and his eyes were red in color, which seemed to be burning with fire. The scar on his neck was still red as they had not healed yet. I realize you are saving my life again, he told Siddharth. Not at all, Siddharth said. It is only inconvenient to have you here any longer. The young man said to Siddharth that he was saving his life once again. Siddharth said that it was not like that. He was sending him because he could not keep him any longer. He had hesitated a good deal about giving the man a flashlight, but he had decided to give it to him after all. It was a small one, his own, which he used at night when he was cold. Hesitated means paused in decision before saying or doing something. Snow was reluctant in giving him a torch as he felt that if the man used it unwisely, he could be stopped he could be spotted and land into trouble. Finally, he gave him his own torch, the one that he used when he had to attend to patient at a night. Okay, this is your today's lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.